Welcome back to DP Kids. Now, of course, when we ask little children who they want to be, what do you normally hear? You hear different things. Now, suddenly, what about you? What if we ask the question from you? Suddenly would normally say a doctor, perhaps, yeah? But of course, we'll hear answers like this. But because we're here with DP Kids, we'll of course empower you to become better, yeah? Suddenly, who do you want to become when you grow up?
A doctor, like you said.
Yes, see, doctors and lawyers are often common goals that little children have. But the world has expanded and evolved. People don't often say that they want to be artists. But an artist is a child, a student of the universe itself. And of course, you can become an even better doctor when you become an artist, because that is what art does. It magnifies your soul and improves who you are. Suddenly might, of course, become both, I figure, yeah? No, that's okay. That's totally fine. But nevertheless, it's very important that art empowers every occupation that you choose. And that's the best part about teaching children art and these crafts. Is it? Okay. Shall we? Shall we draw?
Right.
Brilliant, high five. Okay, today we're going to draw something very exciting, a nurse. Yes, a tiny little nurse, an animated version, of course. Shall we then? Now, of course, we're going to start off with, of course, understanding how to draw different kinds of cartoon-like animations as well. Now, we'll take our piece of paper and take our eyes first, because that's where we get started off first, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, now we are going to get started off with the pair of eyes, and after that we're going to start off here with another one of the eyes there, another circle. There we go, quite simple. And now what we're going to do is bring two tiny dots like this over there so that it becomes nice and you have an effect there. There you go, well done. Brilliant job. Alright, now what we're going to do is very simply go ahead with the rest of the design. It's very familiar and easy. Come to the right and left, leave a tiny mark a bit further. Okay, now there as well we leave a mark. Now watch very carefully and do the same. This is the shape of the face. See if you can try that. Now we are done with the shape of the face. Alright, yeah?
Alright.
Now what we're going to do is come towards over here. This is the hair and of course the other features on top of the head. Ah, brilliant. And now, of course, from over here, we're going to bring this line this way, and there we go. Good. Alright, now, from this point, we will, of course, there's the two ears that'll come on the two sides. And after that, what we're going to do is come to the center, add a tiny line like this. Alright, there we go. There, nice.
Uncle, doesn't she have a nose?
No, yes, that was the nose. Now we're going to draw a mouth as well. Yes, now here's the mouth. There you go. It's a different kind of nose. There we go, done. Now it's an animated version of a nurse. That's why some parts might look a little different. There you go. Alright, and from over here we have to place some marks like this, and we're going to go up top like this and then come back to the other corner. There we go. That's okay, one line, do it freely. There we go, brilliant, amazing. Right, now we're going to draw 2 lines. Just like that, from 2 sides. Yes, from this side and from here. And then after that, we're going to join them like this. Alright, there we go. That's a nurse's cap. And then we're going to come over here to the body now. The rest of the body is going to come together, starting with this line. Yes, there we go. Now from over here, it's going to come together. Done. Now from over here, tiny line like that. And then a parallel line beneath it. Yes, brilliant. Now from over here, something like that. Alright, there we go. And then another one on the other side as well, just like this. Now we're going to draw of course, the shoes, isn't it? And now it's going to be the rest of the body. It's, of course, something that the nurse carries around. What is it? A file, isn't it? Yes, there we go. Now that's the file that a nurse carries around, and the other side of the nurse is where you have the other arm, where it'll be like that. That's one, and that's the other. Alright, there we go. Yes. Now from the center right here, we can draw a line like this. There we go. All right. All right. Now it's going to be from over here. We're going to draw the hair. The rest of the hair like this, and then it's going to come over here. Now we've seen many nurses with different kinds of hair, so it's an animated version. It's something we should remember so we can get creative with our nurse. Alright, there we go. Now let's also add a little bit of a mark over here from the center, that is on the cap. This is, of course, the first aid sign. Now from over here come the eyelashes like this. Alright, there we go. Done. Now we need to color it. Let's color it, shall we? Okay, now it's amazing, it's beautiful, right? I love it. It's very simple, it's very free, you know. There's, of course, nothing complex, yeah? Shall we quickly color it now with these? Now take all these colors over here.
We have to color.
And first we'll start off with the face.
Okay.
Alright, we'll get orange, and of course we'll bring this color up like this. And start.
Uncle, don't nurses have badges that we can draw?
Yes, well, some have badges. We can draw them if we want to. The whole purpose of this is you can be creative as an artist.
Only if they had them.
Yes, that's exactly the best part about it. Now, of course, it's an animated one, so you can choose to be free with it. Now the hair as well can be colored like this. There we go. With this color right here, you can draw it up. Alright, there we go. We drew a tiny nurse like this. There we go. Have a look. Look at how nice it is. Well, of course, this is the speciality of DP Kids. We love helping you draw what you want to become in the future, as well different types of characters as well. This is, of course, how you find little children's hopes and dreams for the future. Yeah, we're done with the episode for now. We drew a beautiful nurse. Yes. A nurse, a tiny nurse is what we drew. Now we have to remind everyone how to join us as well. Yeah.
Search DP Kids in YouTube so you can see all our videos. Watch a video, subscribe our channel, click the bell button and like us, and don't forget to comment us too. You can rate our drawings as well. Tell us if our drawings are nice or not, and give us a detailed feedback if we have any shortcomings, so we can get better and better.
Yes, and that's the best part. And of course, you can go on to YouTube and learn continuously by rewatching our videos, and that is why it is ideal for you to watch DP Kids, especially. Unlike any other show, we offer extreme value for the children. You can even be anyone who just wants to draw, but mostly kids is why the reason we're here. And you can learn continuously. With that, it's a wrap of this episode. See you once again with the #1 children's show, that is DP Kids.